you can either be addicted and feeding yourself, and then you're running after all of your desires and your needs, and it's all built off of a perspective of me. That is ultimately the root of a lot of evil. Is the me, is when everything's about me. And that's Sodom and Gomorrah. The lesson that they teach us is that they were self-concerned. They wanted what was best only for their society, and anyone that visited them from an outside society was treated as forget second-class citizen. They had all these rules where they would take advantage of and abuse visitors because they're not one of us. And this us concept can also extend. So there's the personal me that I'm only concerned about myself. But if we get a bunch of people that are only concerned about me, so we have an entire society of me. And the contrast to that is Avram's way of life. Avram said it's all about we. It's all about us. And so Avram's way of life and what he showed the world is that if God made me, then I have to care about me. Me is important, but me is only part of the story. Me is the first part. Hashem created you and you're special. And if Hashem cares about you, you have to care about yourself. Self-concern is necessary. But it doesn't stop there. It starts there. The next step beyond self-concern is, well, if I matter, then let me think. I look around. You look like me. You're not me, but you look like me. So if I matter, let me guess. You also matter or no? Only I matter. Therefore, you're there to service me and I can take advantage of you any way I want. What is the logical conclusion? If there's a God that created me, then how did you get here? How did you get here? Oh, the same God. Well, that means that he must want me to be king and you to be my servants and slaves, and I'm supposed to use and abuse you however I please. That must be the next logical conclusion, right? Because isn't that what the dictators of the world are doing? Yeah. God made me, and God made me in a country that has millions of people as a population. He must love me so much that he created these millions of people to serve me. And I can do whatever I want with them, because they're mine. Obviously, that's not the logical conclusion. That is this twisted, perverted, warped addict that just thinks of himself and his needs, which are never ending. How much can I have? How much can I do? How many people can I control? That's not what this world is about. That's what this world is suffering from right now. The world is about the opposite, what Abraham says. And this is really a mitzvah in the Torah that says that I have to care for others like I care for myself. Because what's the common denominator? Let's think about it. If God made me and I matter to God and therefore I matter to myself, because if God cares about me, I should care about me, then how did you get here? And you also were created by that same God. So you must matter to him. If you matter to God, then you must matter to me. And that's the secret and solution to all of the world's problems, is that if I matter, you matter. Simple. One slogan, one phrase. If I matter, you matter.